Last time, you know that we had finished with the hydrogen NMR. So today we are going to finish. We are going to start with the carbon 13 NMR. Carbon 13 NMR. सबसे पहले, the first thing you should keep in mind, carbon 13 NMR जो है, the same type of the NMR spectrum we will use as hydrogen NMR. Okay. Here you got the abundance, and here you got the chemical shift. Uh, Here we got the first peak form, which is always of PMS, tetramethylcycline. I told you tetramethylcycline got uh, uh, the carbons in the same environment as well. So in the carbon 13 MR, people got only the singlets, not the triplet, quadruplet, or these kinds of the thing. So you only got the singlets up here. This is the first thing, singlets. Okay, no triplet, quadruplet, they are present, and these singlets they basically will tell you the different environments of the carbons. Okay, so the range of this carbon 13 NMR, that is going to start from 0 till 250. Okay, chemical shift, that is ppm parts per million. Okay, so it is going to range. It is going to have a range of 0 to 250, whereas the hydrogen NMR on a comparison, this is the carbon 13 NMR. Okay. On the other hand, if you got hydrogen NMR, okay, so it has got abundance along y-axis and chemical shift along y-axis. Okay, so in this case, my dear students, you got triplet, quadruplet, or multiplet, these kinds of the things. Okay, so you got multiplet, duplet, triplet, quadruplet, and singlets. So all these peaks are present up here, and this is going to have a range of 0 to 12 ppm. Okay, so this is the main difference between carbon 13 NMR and hydrogen NMR. Hydrogen NMR has got a range of chemical shift from 0 to 12, whereas carbon 13 has got the range of 0 to 50. Okay, the second thing, in the carbon 13 NMR, you only got the singlets. These singlets, they show you the different environments. Okay, so now if I'm going to take the 3 or 4 things up here, have a look up here, C double bond O and OH, C double bond O and OH. This is C double bond O and OH. Now, if I'm going to ask you people that how much peaks of the carbon 13, okay, would be present for these 3 compounds. All of them, they are having the same molecular formula C5, H10, and O2. So all are having the same molecular formula. So they are having the same number of carbons. Okay. Now you have to look the environment of different carbons. So first of all, write down CH3. This is CH2. This is CH2. This is CH2, and this is C. Okay, so you have to look in each carbon whether it is present in the same environment or different environment. So this CH3 would form one peak, this CH2 would form another peak, and this CH2 is different from this one. Why? Because this CH2 is surrounded by CH3 and CH2 on its both sides. Whereas this CH2 has got the 2 CH2 on its both sides. So this is present in different environment. Okay, and just like that, this CH2, don't think that these three are the CH2, they are in the same environment. You have to look their neighbors. Their neighbors, they are different. If you look this carbon, CH2 that is present in a different environment. It has got CH2 on its one side and C double bond O on the other side. So this is another environment. So this is the fourth P, and this carbon has got the 5P. Did you get it? So it means in the carbon 13 NMR, this compound would form five singlets, five different environments. Did you get it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now come towards this compound. So this is CH3, this is CH3, this is CH, this is CH2, and this is C. Now, if you look up here, my dear students, these CH3, they are present in the same environment because both are CH3. This one is joined with CH, this one is also joined with the CH. So both are present in the same environment. So this is the first environment, this is the second environment, this is the third environment, and this is the fourth environment. So this one would form four peaks on carbon 13. So we are discussing the peaks with respect to carbon 13 now. The carbons, they are present in four different environments. Did you get it, guys? Okay, now move towards this last compound. Any one of you could tell me how much environment it got? Just work on it and let me know. Three seconds. Three environment. Mr. Good is saying that it is having the three environment, CH3, CH3, CH3. So these three carbons, they are present in the same environment because all of these CH3 group, they are attached with the same neighbor carbon. Okay, this is the second environment, and this carbon, that is the third environment. So it will form three peaks on the carbon 13 NMR. Okay, everyone got it, guys? Okay, my dear students, now we are going to have the two compounds up here, and you should tell me that how much peaks of carbon 13 would they form. So this is the first one, and this is the second one. Okay, so this is compound one, this is compound two. So tell me how much peaks for carbon 13 are possible for these two compounds. Come on, do the working. G, yeah.
सर मेरे को 8 लग रहा है।
कितनी लग रही है?
8।
ये यही तेरे सोए हुए का काम है, दिमाग हासिल ही ना रखना। ये देखो, ये CH2 है, ये CH2 है, ये CH है, ये CH है, ये CH है, ये CH है, ये CH2 है, और ये CH2 है। ये देखो, ये चीज और ये चीज, ये कार्बन सेम एनवायरनमेंट में है भाई। यानी देखो, इस CH2 के इधर CH CH2, इस CH2 के इधर CH CH2, इस CH2 के इधर CH इधर CH2, इस CH2 के इधर CH इधर CH2, ऑल ऑफ देम दे आर हैविंग द सेम एनवायरनमेंट। तो एक पीक इन चारों की बनेगी। ये चारों कार्बन सेम एनवायरनमेंट में, और ये वाले जो चार कार्बन है भाई, ये सेम एनवायरनमेंट में है। तो इसकी दूसरी पीक बनेगी, टू पीक्स आर पॉसिबल। क्योंकि ये देखें, इस CH को पकड़ने, इसके इधर CH2 और CH है, इस CH को पकड़ने CH2 CH है, इस CH को पकड़ने CH2 CH है, इस CH को पकड़ने CH and CH2 है। So this is having the two peaks। जी नहीं, आपने four peaks कहा है, इतना तेज ना बनना। और जी अगले की तो तीन होता है, अगले को भी तेरे सामने किया तुमने। Okay guys, now have a look at this one. This one is CH 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 CH2 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 CH2. So these carbons are present in the same environment. these are in the different environment. Why? Because this CH is having CH and CH on both sides, whereas this CH is having CH2 and CH on different sides. So this is one peak, this is second, this one is third, because this CH2 has got different environment and this CH2 has got different environment. Okay, so this one is the 4. So this is 3 and this is 4, so it will form the 4 peaks. Did you get it? Muskan, Uzair?
सर
Yeah.
सर मैं पूछना सर ये कैसे पता रहते डिफरेंट एनवायरनमेंट में कैसे हैं डिफरेंट कार्बन क्योंकि सर सी एच टू सी एच थ्री
इधर देख, इस CH को तू देखता है तो इसके दोनों तरफ CH है, इस CH को देखता है तो भाई इसके एक तरफ CH2 और CH है, तो इसका मतलब है ये दो CH डिफरेंट एनवायरनमेंट में है। तो ये आमने सामने वाले सेम एनवायरनमेंट में, क्योंकि दोनों तरफ देख रहे इक्वली चीज जा रही है, यानी दोनों तरफ डबल बॉन्ड बना हुआ है, तो ये आमने सामने वाले सेम, ये भी सेम, ये भी सेम, ये भी सेम।
ठीक है सर समझ लग
Okay, guys, now you should tell me how much uh, carbon 13 peaks are possible for this one and how much carbon 13 peaks are possible for this one, giving you again 5 minutes. So please do your working. Come on, guys. Everyone should try because practice will make you perfect. I'm telling you one rule. Uh, you should equally divide this benzene into two different environments. Okay. So if you look from here, we can cut it into two equal parts because here groups are attached. This is carbon, this is CH, this is CH, this is CH, this is CH, this is C. So this carbon is in different environment and this carbon is in different environment. Both are in different environments because this carbon is joined with OH, this carbon is joined with CH3. So this is one, this is two. So these two front things, they form the second environment. This CH is having C and OH on one side, and this CH is having CH and CH3 on the other side. So these carbons are present in the different environment. Third, okay, so 1, 2, 3, this is 4, and this carbon is 5. So this one will form the 5 peaks. Did you get it?
देखिए CH की जगह CH2 नहीं होगा
सर
कौन सा?
ये जो CH से क्या
और
है
भाई बेंजीन है मेरे जान, बेंजीन में CH होता है, क्या हो गया C6H? सोए भी हो बट साहब। अच्छा जी, now cut it into two equal parts like that. Okay, now put the carbon CH, 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 and this is C. So now tell me how much different environments it is having. Come on. बट साहब सोए भी हो यार भाई, ये और ये दे आर वन एनवायरनमेंट, दो क्यों? CH3 C
फिर
CH, ठीक है, ये दोनों कार्बन सेम एनवायरनमेंट में, टू, और ये चारों के चारों सेम एनवायरनमेंट है, थ्री, तो थ्री पीक्स बननी है। ये देखो ना, ये CH के इधर C और CH3 है, इस CH के भी इधर C और CH3 है, तो ये चारों के चारों का एनवायरनमेंट देखो डिफरेंट है, देखो, ठीक है। अगर यहाँ पे कोई डिफरेंट चीज लगी होती, OH लगा होता, तो फिर वही को डिफरेंट हो चले। ओके, now tell me about this one, how much environment does it have? ये देखो, इसको, ये सेम एनवायरनमेंट में है, ये सेम एनवायरनमेंट में है, ठीक है जी, ये वाले सेम एनवायरनमेंट में है और ये वाले सेम एनवायरनमेंट में है। इसके भाई इक्वली तौर पे हिस्सों में डिवाइड करना सीखो ना, तो 1 2 3 4 4 एनवायरनमेंट्स आर पॉसिबल। या तेरे पते पढ़ रही है कि कोई नहीं?
जी सर बन रहे हैं
चलिए जी, इसके एनवायरनमेंट्स बताएं कितने हैं?
सर दो
दो। दो कैसे हैं भाई, ये कार्बन, ये कार्बन, ये CH, ये CH, ये CH, ये CH. This is a different environment, this is a different environment. Why? Because this is having NH2 and this one is having CH3. तो one और ये two और ये different है, ये three, ये different है four and this one is different five. तो five पीस बनेगी. चलिए जी, इसके एनवायरनमेंट बता दें हम कितने हैं. 5 मिनट दे रहे.
सर 6.
वेरी गुड यार, आ गया भाई. यार बोले CH3,
जी सर.
CH2, CH, 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 CH and CH. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5 and this is 6. 6 बोला था तुमने?
जी सर.
Okay. Okay, guys. So your carbon 13 NMR that has been finished. Inshallah, we will do the past paper questions tomorrow. Okay, carbon 13 NMR में just सिग्नेट्स होते हैं and you should know the different peaks present in it. Okay, that's it for today.